Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga.
What's up, everybody? So I'm back again today, and I'm really trying not to look to the side, y'all. I'm sorry. But I'm back again today, and I'm doing a video on products that I've been loving lately and products that I'm still loving, as well as makeup techniques that I really, really like. Okay, so for starters, I'm going to start with a technique. One technique I really been loving is like, after I put my under eye concealer, I like to go in and set it with this Airspun loose setting powder. And I like to just take a little bit of that and then press it in until it disappears. So I do that before I go in and bake with my banana powder, or like whatever you choose to bake under your eyes with. I'm still using my banana powder. Girl, that powder been going for so long, and I'm still using it, okay? Also, I've been loving cream contour, which is something that I'm fairly new to, because I always been like, what's the point of cream contouring if you're going to just go ahead and powder contour on top of that? But it actually has like a big difference. What it does, girl, hold up. Let me show you this greatness, honey. See, it chisel that cheek, it like cut that thing. So it's like, you know, your cheeks be like ready. I've been loving halo eyes lately. Cut creases. I'm still learning a lot with the cut creases, but I think I've been doing pretty good. And this actually, girl, I'll give y'all the tea on that later. But I've been loving like cut creases. I've been loving like ombre lips, whether it be a nude or like a color like I did today. I just been loving like my ombre lip. So this is what I have on today, and it's the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss. What I will tell you, what I don't like about this, number one, you have to put on so much for it to show up. But I can't stand with a passion when it's time to take it off. You literally got to scrub this junk off. Like, I done tried oil, I done tried this, that, and the third. But girl, this is the only purple lipstick that I have. And, you know, that wasn't like a shiny type of lip gloss situation. So I'm just using this. And then in the middle of that, I have a Sephora sample lipstick. It came in like a little mini set. So it does not have a shade on here, but this is how it looks. It's just a nude. And I just put it in the middle, and I kind of did like that, puckered my lips together. So I'm going to put just a little bit more. And by the way, with this purple, oh my gosh, it's so uncomfortable, y'all. But this, I love the color, I just don't like the lipstick. Y'all, it's so like sticky when you press your lips together. That's another reason I put this in the middle. But I like the color, not so crazy about the actual product. So for skincare, what I've been using for the past few months is this Clean&Clear set. One is the Morning Burst Facial Cleanser, and it's oil free with bursting beads. I really like this. And I just replenish it when I run out. And then there's a Clean&Clear Night Relaxing Deep Cleansing Face Wash, and it's oil free as well. And I use this one at nighttime. I get these little pads here. They're very soft. They're not too abrasive. And then this side back here is the part for your eyes. I like to use these to wash my face. I've been loving to mix my Vaseline Intensive Care Deep Moisture Cream with this Now Solutions Vegetable Glycerin. That's a mouthful. Now Solutions Vegetable Glycerin, 100% pure versatile skincare. So let me tell y'all a little bit about this product if you don't know. So vegetable glycerin is water and alcohol soluble. You mix that in with basically anything. You don't use it by itself. I like to mix it with this to moisturize my face after I wash my face. And it says that it heals severely dry skin. So I have very, very dry skin around my mouth, and that's why I really picked that up, because normally I will use just Vaseline, but Vaseline kind of cakes your pores after a while. Also, I mix it with my Growganics Deep Freeze Scalp Stimulant Conditioner. What you do, you put the water, glycerin, and conditioner. If you want to, you can skip out on the conditioner. I just like to put that in with my spray, and I spray my natural hair with that, and I comb it out, and then I follow up with this, which is the WildGrowth Hair Oil. And what that does, it lock it in. So glycerin is supposed to pull moisture from the atmosphere and keep your hair nice and moist. However, if you don't seal it with another oil, coconut oil, whatever kind of oil you use on your hair, it will do the exact opposite and pull the moisture from your hair and back into the atmosphere. So you don't want your hair to be dry. That's why you follow up with the oil and seal it in. So I really do like that. Also, you can mix this with your lotion. Y'all, you mix it with your lotion, put it on your elbows, the bottom of your feet, put it on your legs, put it everywhere, and girl, your skin will be so smooth. So another thing, as far as hygiene, what I've been loving to use every once and again, I don't use it too much, because you can do too much of a good thing sometimes, but I've been using this OliviaCare activated charcoal tooth polish. Now, what I will say about this, what I don't like, it have like a funny taste, like a weird, not taste, but like a weird smell. And that's like the only thing, but it make your teeth so white and shiny. And what I do with that, I just dip my brush in some apple cider vinegar, and then I put it into the powder, knock it off, and then I put my toothpaste right on top of that, and then I just brush, rinse, and I go in with my water flosser, and I floss really good with that, because this will sit like in the crevices of your teeth. So next, I've been loving my JuviasPlace palettes. This is just one of them. This is the Saharan 2 palette, which I'm sure you all know. Mine is a little bit beat up because I do get great use out of it. And the pigmentation from Juvia, the amount of product you get, it's just everything. And I love that every one of their palettes symbolize a part of Africa. Every single name on the palettes have something to do with some type of city or location in Africa, and it's a story behind it. I'm here for it. Black history, I'm here for it. Okay. So not too long ago, I was sent some glitters from GlambyChene Cosmetics, and I have the shade Relevant. Looks like this. It's really pretty, y'all. I have Lingerie, which is like a pink, really pretty color. I have the shade Lace, and this one is super pretty. It's a black with like different colors in it. Y'all, it's so pretty. The camera is not even doing it justice. Here's the shade Bay. It's like a pretty yellow gold. And then I also have I Slay, and that's a pretty silver color. Now, the reason that I'm showing you these again, because I do have a video, and I will link it down below, or I'll put it in a YouTube card. You all, the camera, I mean, my phone, I have a camera now, but my phone was not doing these glitters any justice. I will be using them in upcoming videos, so make sure you go out and purchase some glitters from GlambyChene Cosmetics, and I will leave her information down below as well. A lip product that I've been loving and have not been able to put it down is this Tarte H2O gloss in the shade Fiji. Y'all, this is so pretty. Like, do you see that? You can even see it in the bottle. Number one, I love the packaging. I love that it looked wet, y'all. I really thought it was wet when I first got it. But anyway, it's like a pink gloss with blue and purple flecks and gold. Girl, I just can't. It's so pretty. I've been loving braids lately. I mean, I like wigs and everything, but I'm the type of female, I cannot have anything too long on my head. That's why I don't wear sew-ins and quick weaves and things like that. I only like to make my wigs, and then I put them on and I take them off when I get home or when I'm ready for the end of the day. And braids, I love braids because your hair can breathe, and you can still manage your hair, and it's a protective hairstyle, so you can also grow your hair while looking good. Now, I like to change my style up all the time. Sometimes I'll braid my hair, and I do my own braids. Sometimes I'll braid my hair, or I'll put some plaits in like these, and I'll do different sizes. I'll do different styles. Like the purple braids that you saw a few videos back, those were like my signature style that I wear all the time. Sometimes I'll do like a short bob, sometimes I'll do a long bob like that, and sometimes I do like just regular straight plaits. And what I do, I like to mix my colors together. So like the purple braids, they were purple, blue, gray, and then I had black on the bottom. And after I take these braids out, if I do some more braids, the next set of braids that I do, I'm going to do like a red multicolored style, and you'll see what I'm talking about, and I will do a video on that once I do those. These are just plain, and I just added like 4 blue braids because y'all, I just can't sit still when it comes to color. Like I be wanting to do so much, and I tried my hardest to just go ahead and do a full head of black braids, and I was just like, girl, where's the color? I need something to look at here. Also, something that I've been using a lot lately is my Tarte mascara. And I don't really obsess over mascaras, but it's cute packaging, and it doesn't dry out, and it does the job. Like, it's really dark, it makes my lashes really thick, and it also helps with my bottom lashes. This Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Setting Mist, I've been liking this as well. What I've been using to wash my makeup brushes with, and when I tell you it don't leave no residue behind, is any type of bar soap. Any type of bar soap, y'all. It don't leave like any suds behind in your brushes, and it gets them super duper clean, like to the day that you first bought them. So what I do is I basically take the soap, I run my brush under some warm water, and don't pay that no attention. This big gap right here that was, y'all, I'll drop the video below. But I just swish the brush around in the soap, and then I swish it around in the water, and boom, it's clean. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this. I will have links down in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And be sure to tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.